So, hi Shreya, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine.
Great.
And what about you, sir?
I am also good. Thank you. So, Shreya, first of all, heartiest congratulations for getting your first job with Compucom. So, how it feels like?
Sir, means I'm very happy to get a job in Compucom. Means it was my dream to get a job in networking domain, and I got job, so I'm very happy.
Great, great. So, why I-Medita? What was the reason you picked it over others? Like, why you have opted for I-Medita?
Yes. So first of all, means at the time of means means at July or August. Yeah, I have searched many classes about networking, but I find I-Medita, and first of all I have gone through the I-Medita reviews. So I thought that means in I-Medita all the professors are knowledgeable, and all the real time devices are there. So I have to go in networking, so I want some real time devices for experience. So I have gone through the means I have gone through many students. So I find that I-Medita is best for me, and I want a job in networking. So I-Medita is best for me.
Great. So, the reviews which you have checked before your admission and now after the training when you got placed, so do you feel those reviews were genuine?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Great.
Means it was not fake; it is real, and means from my heart I said that means I-Medita is best for me. If means if I-Medita was not there, so I don't know means where I am.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
could you brief us about your interview process? Like what all stages you have went through during the interview, so that viewers who are watching this video, they get to know, like generally when you are sitting in interviews, so generally what all interview phases are there. So what all interview phases you went with Compicom?
For the interview at Compucom, means CCN and CCNP helped me a lot. Means not a security as much, because for the CCN and CCNP, if you have the CCN and CCNP knowledge, so you means surely you crack the interview in any companies. Like I had enrolled for the multi-track course, so for that CCNP, CCNA, and CCNA security is there. So means I had gone through the CCNA and CCNP, and that knowledge of CCNA and CCNP helped me a lot to achieve my goal. And on that interview, I don't think so. It is very hard. It is too easy, because I have knowledge about CCNA and CCNP, and it is because of I-Medita and experienced professors. So for that interview, yeah, first of all they asked me about my personality developments, like you have the skill of communication or not. So for communication also, I-Medita help us, like personality development classes, and thanks to Shweta ma'am, they give us a very enjoyable knowledge and about communication. So it is very good. And after that they ask so many simple questions, like means in CCN and CCNP. So it is very good. And I don't think so means if you have CCN and CCNP and security knowledge, so means you crack any interview, and you got job.
Great.
So it is very helpful.
So PD session helped you crack the interviews as well. So PD session
Yes sir.
helped you
Yes
prepare
sir.
for interviews, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Sir, without communication, it is not means it is not easy to get a job. If you have knowledge and if you don't have any communication skills, so I don't think so you got a job.
Absolutely right. I agree with your points. What were the
Yes.
three things you liked about I-Medita during the training process? What were the three things you liked the most?
First of all, sir, experienced professors, they helped me a lot. Whenever I got stuck in any problem, so they helped me a lot. Like means at the first day of the training, I didn't know anything about networking. I don't know means what is networking also. But from the first day of training, so till now, they helped me a lot. And second thing is that the management of the I-Medita, it is too good. And third thing is that means all the real-time devices help me to get knowledge about the real-time devices.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And how would you rate I-Medita's training on a scale of 10? If you have this opportunity,
Sir,
how would you rate?
yes, a 10 out of 10, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Any suggestion or message to individual who wish to explore career opportunities in networking domain?
Yes, sir. Like means by my heart, I yeah, I can say that means if you get a job, if you want to get a job in networking domain, so please refer I-Medita. Means if you are going through anywhere, so I don't know about the all classes, but I am saying I-Medita is the best, means best to best training source for us. And if you want to achieve your goal, so please refer I-Medita. Means yeah, by my experience, I didn't know anything about networking, but I-Medita helped me a lot to get job. So I'm very happy, sir.
Great, great. Thank you for your time, Shreya. Thank you for your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for your future.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
learning, learn new technologies as well. You have just started your career. Okay, we would recommend you to invest maximum time in your learning as well. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Shreya. Have a good day.